So today I made both of Libby's pumpkin pies, their new-fashioned pumpkin pie and their old-fashioned pumpkin pie. I'm going to bring these two pies to my parents' house and have them do a taste test, and I'm going to see which one they prefer. So stay tuned. I'm going to be right back when I get to my parents' house.
And what are we supposed to tell you? Are you going to ask us questions?
Well, I just want you to taste each and tell me if you notice a difference in flavor.
Yum. And now the white plate.
They're both good.
Mm-hmm.
That one's got a little bit more flavor to me.
It has more pumpkin flavor.
The dark plate or the light plate?
The dark plate.
The dark plate has more pumpkin flavor. Okay.
Mm-hmm. Did you use more pumpkin in it?
Same amount of pumpkin is in each pie.
I prefer that one, but there's not that much difference to complain about.
I think I agree with Dad.
Okay, you'd want the one that's in the dark plate?
Yeah.
Okay.
It has a good texture, has a good flavor. It's good.
Okay. So the one in the dark plate that you're eating right now, that's Libby's original recipe.
Okay.
4 years ago, Libby's got a new recipe. They call it their new fashioned recipe. And their new fashioned recipe doesn't have any sugar in it because they use sweetened condensed milk as the sweetener and some of the milk product.
Is that what this one is?
That's what that one is. And there's a little bit more milk in that new recipe. There's more because there's sweetened condensed milk as well as a little bit of evaporated milk. And so that's probably why you're tasting a more pronounced pumpkin in their original recipe.
Yes.
So you guys like the original recipe.
Mm-hmm.
One of the other differences in their new fashioned recipe, there's a 1/4 teaspoon more cloves.
Okay.
But there's also more milk. And so I think that they needed to add a little bit more spice to make up for the fact
What are you doing?
She's not done yet.
No, I'm not doing anything. I wasn't getting up.
I know, but Daddy, she's...
I heard her. You got an ear there. An ear there.
You're sitting here fiddling.
I dropped a little piece of
Well, you should get it later.
I don't want to sit in it.
Well, don't move. Don't squirm.
Okay, you guys, I'm gonna turn this off.